Damn, nigga.
Hey, I don't never do that shit because these tires cost $585 a piece.
Damn
These
it,
my
boy.
niggas, so I had to show them.
Hey, nigga, you burn rubber from here all the way. You see that motherfucker and didn't stop.
See, I let off right there because that bitch go.
What up, gang? It's your boy 9 Trey. Back at y'all with another hands-on one. Right here, we got a 6.0, man. Belong to a friend of ours, an SSG member. Flip this camera. All right, y'all, we got budget motor, y'all. This is 6.0. So, I guess today will be the day that I reveal to y'all that I did not get the 2-door box from budget. I basically was just doing the motor. So, I'm pretty sure y'all already found that out now by watching his videos. But sometimes you gotta clickbait. You know what I'm saying? So that was a good clickbait one for y'all fellas. But right now, I now already took all of the little wires off. I took the car packs, the wire harness, the computer. I just popped all that off. Now I'm finna go and take the intake off, all the front accessories. We're gonna pop the head off. We basically gonna tear it down to a short block. I'm gonna go get a little oil bucket so we don't drop no oil. So you know, you pop that off, we're gonna have some leakage. But for now, I'm gonna set y'all boys up. I'm gonna pop the intake off first, then I'm gonna pop the water pump. We're gonna get the AC off and the bracket for the alternator and the power steering pump. Yes, sir, boys is in action. Lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action. So basically, I'm just setting everything to the side. This is a power steering fluid cooler. They come on the trucks. Keep that cool. Cold. Alright, let me go grab 15. I'm gonna get the extension for these water pumps. Oh, and I can pop these fuel wheels off. I already unbuckled them. Just like this there, gang. Pop this off. Back. Gonna pop this hook off real quick. Short block. Uh-oh. What we got? Oh, good. Yo, that's the intake. Nothing but a couple of eights, man. These eights right here. You got your intake gasket. Alright. Buddy. Alright, y'all. This should be fairly easy. I don't need all that extension on that. Dang. Alright, that's it. Put the 10 on. There's the water pump.
We're gonna put that cookie on and get the water pump out. I'm gonna go down with that.
Now we got We're gonna pop off the little vent, steam vent. They say if you don't have that, you're gonna run hot. So pop that off. Oh, that's a 10, gang. Well, since I got an 8 on, we're gonna go get the gas covered off. How golden it is in that game. We got a few of these. Got some on the back too. They don't cross it with your head. I can leave them on the head. Steam vent. Sometimes I just leave them both in the head. Just so I don't lose them. Alright. We got these in. Wish I was a little closer. Alright. So I went and grabbed this just to break these because the other job on the Escalade, we left it down the socket. I mean the big impact. So like I said, I'm gonna break all the bolts. This booger. This make them feel like they're not tight. Let's believe they on them. Let's believe they on them. You can hear the head, guys. I'm crunching.
But you said that already.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. That's what you said.
Alright. I just broke this simple. That body.
Dang.
Man. Be careful, boy. That 1500 sitting right there, boy.
Which one?
Right
This one?
there. Right next to it.
Oh, the blind? You blind?
Hell yeah. Busting down budget 6-0 to the shot block. Hell yeah. All the damn tools gone, so man, I had to innovate.
Nah, there's plenty of tools.
Now I'm saying like the big boy snap on. He gone, so I had to pull out that old breaker bar to break them bolts. I didn't want to put all that wear and tear on the little hoover. You feel me? Yeah, it was a rat living in that motor. Where does motor come from? Out of the truck? It came straight out of the truck or what? It was like sitting somewhere.
I drove it.
Oh yeah? It was a high mile motor. Who robbed the valve chain out the motor?
I took them out. I was gonna take it apart, but I don't know. That's what Budget said that weight, and then all of a sudden he said not weight.
Yeah.
I don't know. When you say the kid, I was like, okay, all right, bro. I didn't say nothing. $155,000 miles.
Dang.
No knocks, no nicks, no nothing. It's not even dirty. Look at these. Clean.
That's because they used some shit.
No, they did.
Nah, I'm saying like they had to, but look at the head, like you can see where it was spraying gas.
No, you know what that is?
What's that?
That's for the injector sprays.
Yeah. Alright. Get over here. Pop these off. Hey, you got them tools that white boy be using, like a wrench, but you just do that hoe like that.
Nah.
I had one, boy. I hate that I lost it, boy. I used to work on them dirt bikes. I was like, forget a ratchet, bro. Use that booger. it's a workout, and it works. You ain't got no impact, but I ain't gonna lie, them impacts do spoil me, bro. I'm spoiled now.
Boy, not the same?
Cause I started off with a wrench. I didn't start off with an impact. So it's like once I did get the impact, I was spoiled. I looked at it as another human. Like you got somebody else doing the work for you. That's how I looked at the impact. But for real, bro.
Yeah.
You know how it used to be if you was under an old 88 GMC truck and you gotta take off the transmission cross member with a vice grip on the top and
I used to envy all the shops that had air tools.
Yeah.
Oh man, I wanted a shop with air tools so bad.
yeah.
And by the time I got older, nothing but electric everything.
Yep, electric everything. Alright. Pop all these 15s out on this side.
Before I started,
What happened, nigga?
actually now,
Oh yeah.
can't tell the battery's dead. All of them are charged.
Yeah. It just fired up ready to go.
Had to do it myself.
What you was saying though, nigga?
Before I had any rack, like electric tools or air tools, whatever,
Yeah.
there was this shop that used to run every work there for free. But I had to clean the shop, clean the tools, and sweep up the place. Then they wouldn't charge me to use their tools.
Yeah. Damn.
If not, whatever job I did, I had to give them 150 for using the tools and the building.
I mean, that ain't bad as long as the job you doing paying. Nigga ain't doing no brake jobs.
Whenever I used to do a transmission swap, it was just what, 350? I was only getting 150 out of it.
Yeah.
But I just wanted to use the tools.
Yeah. This would have been warmed up. Alright. Who don't want to come out of there? This thing. Damn. Bruh.
Gotta pick it up evenly. There you go.
Shout block she is.
There you go.
All pan. Is all in the motor?
I don't remember. Come on, Budgie.
This number is using
Oh my
robocalls
God.
to screen their calls. Please say your name and the purpose of your call, and I'll try to connect.
Do I need to take the AC bracket out too?
6.0, yeah, you gotta take it off. He's in the shower, boy. Damn.
That fast?
That fast? I don't know. Are you gonna go pay your phone or what?
Man, I ain't worrying about that motherfucking phone, nigga. As soon as I pay that bitch, nigga. Hell no. Fuck
Why you
off.
taking that? Oh, why you taking it off?
Oh, we ain't taking the valves out?
Nah, valve.
I mean, the
lifter.
lift trays? Yeah, shit.
No, not yet.
Okay. I ain't busting her down. Told you I'm gonna go, nigga.
That's the farthest you can get. We don't have the harmonic balance pulley.
Yeah. You know, I used to snatch them off by hand.
Yeah, right.
All right, gang. Hey, I heard that. That's as far as we can get on the short block. So that's a wrap to this video. Y'all just seen the block go from long to short in a short amount of time. That was less than 30 minutes. Although we still got to pull this shit off, but y'all know that ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? Budget on the road to goddamn, yeah, running. On the road to running. Yiggity yiggity on.